Welcome to Genius GK 2025. Only genius can score 20 plus. Today's challenge: Railway zones. 1. What is the headquarters of Southern Railway? Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Secunderabad. Answer B. Chennai. 2. What is the headquarters of Western Railway? Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Jaipur. Answer A. Mumbai. 3. What is the headquarters of Northern Railway? Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi, Bhopal. Answer C. New Delhi. 4. What is the headquarters of Eastern Railway? Kolkata, Patna, Bhubaneswar, Lucknow. Answer A. Kolkata. 5. What is the headquarters of Central Railway? Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur, Ahmedabad. Answer A. Mumbai. 6. What is the headquarters of South Central Railway? Hyderabad, Secunderabad, Chennai, Nagpur. Answer B. Secunderabad. 7. What is the headquarters of West Central Railway? Jabalpur, Bhopal, Kota, Indore. Answer A. Jabalpur. 8. What is the headquarters of North Central Railway? Kanpur, Prayagraj, Agra, Jhansi. Answer B. Prayagraj. 9. What is the headquarters of East Central Railway? Patna, Hajipur, Ranchi, Prayagraj. Answer B. Hajipur. 10. What is the headquarters of Southeastern Railway? Kolkata, Lucknow, Bilaspur, Jamshedpur. Answer A. Kolkata. 11. What is the headquarters of Southwestern Railway? Bengaluru, Mysuru, Hubbali, Belagavi. Answer C. Hubbali. 12. What is the headquarters of Northeastern Railway? Gorakhpur, Lucknow, Varanasi, Kanpur. Answer A. Gorakhpur. 13. What is the headquarters of Northwestern Railway? Jaipur, Jodhpur, Bikaner, Ajmer. Answer A. Jaipur. 14. What is the headquarters of Southeast Central Railway? Raipur, Bilaspur, Nagpur, Bhopal. Answer B. Bilaspur. 15. What is the headquarters of South Coast Railway? Visakhapatnam, Vijayawada, Guntur, Tirupati. Answer A. Visakhapatnam. 16. What is the headquarters of Northeast Frontier Railway? Shillong, Guwahati, Kolkata, Agartala. Answer C. Guwahati. 17. What is the headquarters of East Coast Railway? Visakhapatnam, Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, Ranchi. Answer B. Bhubaneswar. 18. What is the headquarters of Metro Railway? Lucknow, Kolkata, Bilaspur, Jamshedpur. Answer B. Kolkata. 19. What is the headquarters of Konkan Railway Corporation? Goa, Ratnagiri, Navi Mumbai, Mangaluru. Answer C. Navi Mumbai. 20. Which railway zone was the first railway zone created in independent India? Southern Railway, Central Railway, Northern Railway, Eastern Railway. Answer A. Southern Railway. 21. Which railway zone was formed most recently among these? South Coast Railway, East Coast Railway, Northwestern Railway, West Central Railway. Answer A. South Coast Railway. 22. Which railway zone includes Voltaire Division, East Coast Railway, South Central Railway, Southern Railway, Eastern Railway? Answer A. East Coast Railway. 23. Which railway zone includes Maligaon Headquarters, Central Railway, Northern Railway, Eastern Railway, Northeast Frontier Railway? Answer D. Northeast Frontier Railway. 24. Which railway zone has Garden Reach Headquarters? Southeastern Railway, Eastern Railway, East Coast Railway, Southeast Central Railway. Answer A. Southeastern Railway. 25. Which railway zone is headquartered in Mumbai Churchgate? Western Railway, Central Railway, Southern Railway, Northern Railway? Answer A. Western Railway. Here's your final score. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. More exciting quizzes coming soon. Thanks for watching.